good to see everybody. It's good to be back. We're going to ease into things. I've had a nice little vacation and I've been able to take a break and relax and do some things around the garage, do some maintenance stuff, and just kind of take care of a few things and not be obligated to have a camera and be tripping over it and editing and all that stuff, and get done in the evening and just enjoy watching YouTube. I have a lot of subscribers or channels that I subscribe to and watch that are hobbies of my own outside of what I do in the garage here on video. And it's just been nice to just kind of hang out and watch everybody and watch other people work. But we're going to ease back into it. I've got a few ideas I've been kicking around, and one of them I want to start on today is I want to make a kind of a beginner user-friendly carving knife. So without too much talking, let's go get it done. Okay, so if you hung in this long, you're awesome. I appreciate you. So we got him all finished up. The finish that I used was the Early American Stain. It's one of my favorites. I would really like Gunstock. I don't have any, and another one would be Walnut's a little dark, but I do like it. But I'd say my two top favorites would be Mahogany or Gunstock. But the Early American, it's a nice settlement. I did hit it twice and darkened it up just a little bit. And then after that, I hit it with one of my favorite top coats, is a mix of boiled linseed oil and beeswax. That paste on wood, it leaves just such a nice semi-gloss kind of a sheen, and it just feels really satiny. It just feels really good in the hands. It's not slippery, it's not sticky. It feels really good. But anyhow, so we got him all finished up. It's kind of big and clunky, but realistically, I made this for my 10-year-old grandson. So I wanted a nice big handle that he can get his hand on and get a good grip. I wanted a nice little guard here so his hand doesn't slip and hit the blade. I didn't want a really long blade, and I wanted a relatively blunt tip on it. So I think it really fit the bill. I kind of copied Beavercraft's beginner, children's, whatever, I can't remember what they call it, carving knife, but theirs had a metal tang. But yeah, I'm really pleased with it. The tip here, the blade is made from a cutting edge out of a hand plane, one of these. And what I discovered in making it is that the only part that's hard is the last like 2.5 inches. The rest of it isn't hardened at all. So we did pretty good. The blade is 1.5 inches long, and the rest of the tang sticks inside there probably about 2 inches or so. So we're hardened up into here, and then the whole thing is packed full of epoxy with sawdust mixed in with it. So I've got a pretty good edge on it right now. I need to fine tune it down and hone it, and then it's ready to carve. But here's the finished product, and I hope my grandson likes it. Hope you like it too. Thanks for watching.